YouTube. While I was planning on putting this shit away, I forgot about something. I bought a Home Depot bucket, and this is just stuff I bought for my house. This is primer and stuff. I'm fixing a door at my house, my daughter's bedroom. But anyway, this is zinc oxide primer, which I already talked about in the video. But yeah, I bought a plastic bucket at Home Depot. As usual, Chris, walk away from the camera, because that's what I do. Hold on, let me put this shit somewhere. Yeah, I bought a bucket for a simple reason that what do you call it? Big bucket, little bucket. Little bucket goes inside big bucket. I want to see if my bucket of Evaporust, wherever the hell it went. What did I call it? Evapo slush. Yeah, I have a big 1 gallon thing of Evaporust here. I don't know if this fits in there. Oh, cool. Look at that, same size bucket. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is fill this with Evaporust and use this as a basket. That's my big plan. So yeah, this is my bucket of Evaporust with the, what do you call it? Stupid lid that barely comes off. But here we go. Oh, look, yeah, see? Evapo slush. It's frozen. Yay. But anyway, just as a backup plan. Oh, this is frozen. As a backup plan, I purchased another gallon of it. Shit ain't cheap. So I'm going to put 2 gallons in the bucket. I'm going to see if I can get this one to plop in first so I don't splash it everywhere. And then I'm either going to drill this bucket out or this bucket out and turn it into an Evaporust basket. A little basket to go inside. So I might do the other one because I don't have a lid for it. But anyway, yeah, that's my plan. I will commence taking this out of the bucket. I'll spare you the grief of watching me dump this shit and spill it all over my floor. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hello YouTube. Yeah, I should turn this way. You can see what I'm doing. I bought another gallon of this stuff, and like I said in the last video, I'll spare you the grief of spilling the shit everywhere. Well, sure enough, the EVAPO POPSICLE came flying out of the bucket here, and basically didn't splash me in the eyes, thank goodness, but made a nice little splash. Thankfully the bucket covered most of it. Got some in my hands, but apparently it's all environmentally safe, so I guess I'll have derusted my floor. Thankfully. Don't worry, it's not COVID. I don't think anyway. If I see the orange bucket, I'm pouring it in right here. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like I'm going pee. Anyway, I got 2 gallons of this stuff. I'm probably going to get like 1 more gallon. I don't need a lot of it. I don't use it much, but of course everybody would love a 50-gallon drum. And who the hell wouldn't, right? The only reason why I keep the empty container is, well, you know, sometimes you just want to read the directions. Probably says do not freeze on here somewhere. I don't know. Directions are use at 65 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. Not a good idea for me. Small object derusting. Pre-clean it thoroughly. Rinse item completely immersed and derusted for 1 to 12 hours depending on depth of rust. Large object derusting. Pre-clean it only. Oily. Rinse it completely. Soak Evaporust into smooth, high-quality paper towels and cover area to be derusted. Smaller gas tank. Completely filled tank with Evaporust. Allow to sit for 2 to 4 hours. Drain complete. Rinse well with water. Air dry and fill with gasoline immediately. How do you air dry a gas tank that you just derusted and then put gas in immediately? Immediately? How freaking long is immediately? Better out pouring gas in and get all. Alright, larger gas tank. Pour 1 gallon of Evaporust And rotate tank every hour until rust is removed. Drain complete and rinse water. Evaporust can be used over and over until performance drops off. Evaporust is safe to use in spray cabinets, ultrasonic cleaners, pressure washers, pumps, and vats. When ready to dispose of spent Evaporust, only the iron content of the solution will dictate disposal method. In most cases, it can safely be put down the drain. Oh, so I can just like throw it in my neighbor's yard. No, I'm not gonna do that. But anyway, yeah, safe to be dumped anywhere. I like that. Anyway, buy some Evaporust, people. And if people from Evaporust want to sponsor everyone else that uses it, you should, because we all love this stuff. We're like Evaporust people. Anyway, I got something else in my sleeve next. So like, subscribe, send me a message, comment, whatever. Thank you. Bye.